Hey folks, Adam here, and today we've got a great grill. This is the Genesis 2 by Weber. It's the E-335, and this is a fantastic grill. Make sure I tell you about the porcelain enamel, and we're going to talk about that here in a moment, but it's fantastic. It does have the side burner that a lot of the grills at this price range don't have. It's available in your propane or in your natural gas hookup. So those are two great options. The natural gas hookup has a ton of storage space underneath, and it's available in both black and silver. So pick out the grill that's best for you, but there's so many cool options here. Now, something I got to tell you about is the porcelain enamel, the grates on the top of it. These things are super easy to clean, and they are just fantastic when it comes to the surface being non-stick, easy to clean, easy to cook on, and then underneath there's this layer of steel that's going to keep flare-ups from happening and helps notify you when your meat is done. So because of the styling and the advanced technology in the Weber grills, your meats are going to come out better than on other grills. It's not going to be like that charcoal experience, and the charcoal experience, a lot of people say that's really bad for your stomach. It's really bad for you in the long term is doing charcoal. I personally like the propane option. I think that's the healthiest, safest, best way to cook. And the fact that you're not cooking this, you're not frying it, whatever, you're dripping off all the grease, etc. You're saving yourself a lot of unnecessary fat and calories. So your overall health is going to be best when you're grilling food. Grilled meats, I like them. I feel they're good for you, and I think you should pick this up. Now, what are some fantastic aspects of this? 669 square inches. 669. This is a huge grilling surface. Probably put a dozen hamburgers on it. You can cook for a small army. So if you've got you and the Drader boys, you can all cook and eat and have a fantastic time with it. The quality of Weber is bar none my favorite brand. I feel like they have great quality. Every part on this, the parts are built to last 10 years or more minimum. Okay, now I still get a grill cover because I think that's a smart thing to do, but the fact that these things are built to last says something about the grill. They really care. And you know, sometimes you'll get something from the big box store, it's flimsy, you know it's going to fall apart quickly, and it's not high quality. Weber is built to last. It's a superior brand. And that's why we have it on elite demonstrations. When I came up with this Amazon channel, I decided that I was only going to show you the best products. You know, if it was not a great product, why waste your time? This is a great product, okay? This is not a sponsored video. Nobody is paying me to say this. In terms of the company isn't paying me to say this, okay? This is just a product that rocks, that I truly am behind. And the 335 is, you know, it's a good size surface, it's a bigger surface, it's going to be a centerpiece to your lanai, your porch, your patio, your backyard. It really looks nice. So if you're looking to get a great product, Weber is a great brand. This is a top of the line, great seller, and you're getting it from Amazon, which means all the guarantees of Amazon. You're getting those free returns and the great shipping prices, probably free shipping if you're ordering it on Amazon. The prices are fantastic and you're absolutely going to love it. Plus you get, you know, all the guarantees that come with Amazon, and look to see if it's got that 3 and 4 year protection program, because usually for a few dollars more it's guaranteed. Pretty much anything happens to it, they'll pretty much just send you a gift card to replace it. So get those protection programs when you can, although this thing's meant to last 10 years, so you probably don't need it. So anyway, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. This is a great product. The great cooking surface, the notification where it makes it to where it's really hard to burn your meat. The flare-ups don't occur because that technology, that sheet of metal that's underneath it, the particular ridging to it. The temperature controls on these are exacting. So you can, if you want it at 375 for 30 minutes, you put your meat on there, you let it cook, it's gonna be perfect, okay? This is great for steaks, great for barbecue grills. If you have a big family, this is gonna be fantastic, but you can also just turn on one of the 3 burners and you can just save some propane, save some gas, and just do it for you. The storage underneath has a magnetic hook, and there's off the side, there's a place for you to hang your utensils, which is much better than putting on the flat surface. The stainless steel is easy to clean, and then the grill top, with the way that it's done with, I think it's like a porcelain, I said it earlier, really is a nice way to do this grill. Order today and order with confidence. This is a fantastic product. Look at the ratings, hundreds of ratings, nearly a 5-star average. This is an elite product. Hopefully you like this video, you saw all sorts of close-ups of the product, and you put it in your cart. Thanks for watching, and adios amigos.